We have one special thing in Python. It's called floor division. What does it mean? It means that if you write something like this, it's division. So it means the result will be normal division 8 divided by 3, and the result is 2.666 and so on. But you can write something like this, and this is called floor division. It means that the result is always to round down to whole number. So it doesn't care if here is 6, 8, 9, 3, 1. Always it's rounded to down. Okay, so it's called floor division. It's the same if I write something like this. It's 2.3333, and so the floor division will be the same, but it's rounded down, so the result will be 2. Okay, so all floor division is always rounded down. This is the one important thing which we need to remember.